So to make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop to do this. And here on the desktop, you want to signing in to your YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And then after that, you want to click on the shop icon at the top right of your screen. And then you want to click on sports right here. On the sport, you want to click on this WNBA League Pass. And then you can choose to buy the entire season of the WNBA League Pass or just pay it monthly with $13 per month and the 7-day free trial. So you can choose any of them. And then you can finish the purchase of the WNBA League Pass using your PayPal or your credit and debit card. After that, just click on I agree and then click on Start Membership. And then after you complete the purchase of the WNBA League Pass, to watch the WNBA League, you can just go to your top right of your screen and then click right here on this search icon. You can do it both on your computer, TV, or any streaming devices. And then you want to search for WNBA. And then you want to click on this WNBA League Pass with this network sign. And there you go. Now you can watch the WNBA League without using your TV cable on your smart TV. Or if you want to watch any upcoming live session of the WNBA League Pass, or you just want to record and watch it later on your YouTube TV library, you can just hover over a specific upcoming live session or any show and then click on the three dots and then click on Add to Library or Add with the show name. And this way, you don't have to stand by all day to watch the live session because YouTube TV already recorded it for you even when you don't watch it on live. And then to check every show that you just add or recorded, you can just go to Library at the top of your screen. And if you still have any question, just comment that below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch WNBA League Pass on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.